If you've been loving the Japandi aesthetic, but you don't like the designer price tag, I got you. Because IKEA has been quietly releasing some of the best Japandi-inspired pieces, and today we're hunting down all of them. From beautiful oak furniture to handmade lighting, organic shapes, and natural textures, I've packed for you the best IKEA Japandi-inspired finds. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and these here are my two whippets, Zara and Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first IKEA Japandi find I have for you is of course the LILLESÄTER Sofa. Now I feel like this is one of the most underrated sofas IKEA has right now. I mean, right off the bat, this is one of those furniture pieces that doesn't look like it's from IKEA at all. It looks so beautiful and so stylish. The shape is incredibly clean with slim arms, subtle curves, and just enough softness to make it feel inviting without looking bulky. The off-white fabric is just perfect for creating that calm, minimalist Japandi palette, and because the design is so simple, it would work with almost any decorating style for years. Now, a coffee table that would fit the Japandi style so good is the TONSTAD coffee table. One thing Japandi interiors do really well is choosing furniture that feels substantial without being heavy. And this coffee table has that exact balance. The oak veneer adds warmth while the rounded edges soften the overall look, making the room feel more relaxed. It's definitely one of those coffee tables that looks way more expensive than it actually is. And if you're decorating in Japandi, this is definitely a great option. The next IKEA Japandi find I have for you is this beautiful rug. A good Japandi room always starts with texture, and this rug is just perfect for that. The low pile keeps it looking clean and modern, while the soft beige color adds warmth without overpowering the space. This one comes in a few color options, but these do fit the Japandi vibe just right. Such a nice rug that quietly ties the entire room together. The next IKEA Japandi find I have for you is this beautiful bamboo floor lamp. Natural materials are everywhere in Japandi interiors, so this bamboo floor lamp immediately caught my eye. During the day, it almost feels like a sculptural piece of decor, and at night, it creates that soft, cozy lighting that's so important for this style. Lighting can completely change the mood of a room, and this one adds warmth without taking up much visual space. And speaking of lights, the next IKEA Japandi-inspired find is this pendant lamp. Now, this is such a classic wabi-sabi-inspired pendant lamp, and I was shocked to see that IKEA released a lampshade like this. It looks so high-end. The combination of textile and natural wood gives it a handcrafted feel that's very Scandinavian while embracing the organic balance and imperfection of Japanese interiors. It will look beautiful over a dining table, in a bedroom, or even hanging in an entryway. Loving this one so much. Another pendant lampshade that would fit the Japandi interior so well is actually this rice paper lampshade from the latest IKEA PS collection. This one is another classic Japandi-inspired lampshade that looks so beautiful. The handmade paper-inspired shade diffuses light beautifully, giving the room a soft glow instead of harsh overhead lighting. It has that organic, imperfect quality that's so central to Japandi design, and honestly, it looks like something you'd find in a boutique lighting store for double the price. And speaking of the IKEA PS 2026 collection, there is actually another furniture piece that literally looks like it was made in a Japanese designer store, and that is this birch chair that comes at $99.99. This chair immediately reminded me of traditional Japanese interiors. The exposed birch, clean lines, and gently curved frame have that quiet understated beauty that's the heart of Japandi design. There's nothing excessive about it. It lets the natural wood be the focal point. It's lightweight, both visually and physically, making a room feel open and uncluttered. And it works beautifully as an armchair in the living room, even dining chair, or even a piece styled in a corner. Not to mention, bent wood furniture is having such a moment right now, and this chair is a great example of why. Loving how this one looks so much. Another armchair that's made with the Japandi interiors in mind is this Stockholm 2025 chair made out of boucle. This chair perfectly captures the softer side of Japandi design. Instead of sharp edges and boxy shapes, this one has these beautifully rounded forms that make the space feel calm and inviting. The exposed oak legs bring it that natural warmth Japandi interiors are known for, while the textured boucle upholstery adds subtle texture without being too busy. It feels minimal but not cold, comfortable, timeless, and just the kind of chair that creates a quiet reading corner you'll actually want to spend time in. Another Japandi find from the beautiful Stockholm 2025 collection is also this sculptural vase. One of the easiest ways to get the Japandi look is by styling with fewer but more intentional accessories, and this vase is a perfect example of that. The sculptural black finish creates contrast against lighter interiors, and it looks just so beautiful, organic, and just imperfect. Plus, it looks so good empty or styled with just simple branches or dried stems. The next Japandi IKEA find I have for you is actually this serving set. Small details like this make a huge difference in Japandi homes. Instead of plastic serving utensils, something like this walnut serving set will instantly make everyday meals feel a little more special. Natural wood brings warmth to the table, and it's one of those affordable upgrades that has surprisingly big impact. The next Japandi IKEA find I have for you is this beautiful rattan chair. Now, if you've been looking at expensive woven dining chairs online, this is probably the IKEA alternative you've been searching for. The light bamboo frame brings in natural texture, while the hand-woven seat gives it that artisan look that's a huge part of Japandi interiors. Even mixed with simple wooden dining table, these chairs will instantly make the space feel warmer and more curated. And the last Japandi find I have for you is actually the LILLESÄTER shelving unit. Now, if there is one piece that instantly elevates a Japandi space, it's definitely an open shelving unit like this. The clean lines and warm wood finish create that perfect backdrop for styling ceramics, stacked books, woven baskets, and even lamps and lights to create that cozy Japandi vibe. Japandi is all about being intentional with what you display, and this shelving unit lets every piece stand out without feeling cluttered. It almost becomes part furniture, part styling moment, making your decor feel curated while keeping the space light, airy, and beautifully balanced. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like this IKEA Japandi finds? And are you into the Japandi style at all? Let me know in the comment section below. I know I am so much. I have never fully incorporated the Japandi style into my home since I'm a little bit more leaning towards the mid-century modern style. But I have Japandi decor all over my home, so I really like it. Let me know in the comment section below, and if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! These two are constantly switching positions, but I wanted to show you Zara's new color. I mean, look at this beautiful lime green color. I don't know if it does justice on camera, but she looks so chic. And Marcy boy right over here has been feeling a bit under the weather, I'd say, since he's been having some stomach issues these past few days, and we're trying to recover him with more cuddles. Right, Mars? Oh, you're such a cute boy, such a cute boy. Love you so much, Mars. Love you so much, Sarah. Bye bye, guys. See you next week. Bye.